Here's a medicinal fact about Ludwigia adscendens, antimicrobial properties. Ludwigia adscendens has been found to possess antimicrobial properties, particularly against various bacterial strains. Traditional medicine often utilizes its extracts to treat wounds and skin infections due to this antibacterial effect. Studies have indicated that compounds in the plant can inhibit the growth of certain pathogens, making it a valuable resource for promoting wound healing and potentially preventing infections in traditional healing practices. This characteristic highlights its significance in herbal medicine and the potential for further research into its active compounds for therapeutic use.